Hi, welcome to the ASP.NET Webform and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. Today in this video, I would like to show you how to implement the paging feature for product listing. Okay, so you can see here on the screen we have a lot of data displaying on this page. And of course, in the future, we will have a lot of some more data being added into the system. So that means when we have a lot of data here, the user have to scroll down a lot of time to see the product in the system. And of course, this is not the user experience. We should limit how many items will be displayed on a page. And in case we have a lot of data, we have to divide it into some pages. When the user wants to view the data on the first page, they can go open it, and if they want to view another product, they have to click on the page 2, page 3, page 5 or something like that. Okay, so now that's why in this video today I will show you how to implement that feature to limit the number of the item displaying on a page. Okay, so now let's get started. I will open the Visual Studio, open the product list, user console. Okay, so now here in this video today I will use a packed data source to handle the paging feature on the page. Okay, I will open the backend code. We'll go here. Okay, so before we starting to work on the to implement the feature, so I will create the HTML for it first. Okay, so now for the HTML I will create a div and I call it the div paging. Okay. IT div paging. I will name it Irona server collab. Paging div paging. Okay. So here I have the first, then the previous, and the page is something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one should be next and last. Okay, something like this. I will try to explain more here. Okay, so for example, we have a 21 item will be displaying on this page, and we will limit it is around 10 items will be displaying on a page. So now if we have 21, we will have the 3 page, and in the first page we will display the 10 item, first 10 item, and the page second we will display the next 10 item, and the last one we will display the last one, only one item will be on the 3 page 3. Okay, cool. And by default we will only display the 1, 2, 3 next and last. So when the user click on the page 2, we will we will display the first and previous. Okay, so now when they go to the page 3, we have to hide the next and last hyperlink here, and only display the first, previous, 1, 2, and 3 page. So when they click on the first hyperlink, we will back the user to the first page. I mean, there are the page number 1. Okay, and the same thing when click on the last, it will go to the latest page. There are the page 3. Okay, the same thing when click on previous and next, it will back and forth to the next or the back page. Okay, I hope my explanation is more clear for you. So now I will create the something here, the layout. I will have the div. It should be first class equal div first. Okay, div previous, div next, div last. Okay, and I will name it first, previous, next, last, and this one should be the div main number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, something like this. Okay, so I will leave it by default for now, and I will try to refresh it first. Be with. Open the website. Scroll down. Scroll up here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It look not good for now. I will add a tip div here. Div class equal clear. Okay. So now I will write the code for this. I will open the style.sheet file. Page feature. Okay. Deep first, deep previous, deep next, deep last. Okay. First. clear cake. Okay. Oh, no, this is class deep packaging, and this one is ID. Sorry. Cool. Okay. Mm-hmm. Preparing. Okay. Preparing. Okay. Right is 5 page. Bottom is 0. Left is 5 page. Okay, cool. Copy it. Remove background color. Okay. Good. So now we will back on to work on the static for it later. Okay. So for the first link here, I will use the it should be the link button. Link button. I will name it either admin first run server and a on okay visible equal 4. By default it should be hidden. Copy it. Next. Okay. So now I will do some the action for this. Okay, click, double click, double click, double click. Okay, we have just create some action for the button. Save it. Cool. Here. Link button. So now for display the number here, I will use the repeat data list. Data list should be data list. Okay, I will name it data list paging. DL paging. DL paging. Run server. Okay, cool. And I will do some configuration property. Okay, let's see. We have the repeat direction. Repeat direction. It should be horizontal. Okay. And on item common event item common. Okay. Item common. And the on item data bound here. Okay. I will have the item template. Inside it will be have a link button. The same thing here. Okay. Copy. KD. Link button. I will name it Okay. Padding. On click remove. This one should be equal paid impact. Okay. Common name it should be equal padding. And the tag displaying tag it should be the tag. It should be the sorry. I will have a name pet tag. Okay. Okay, so now we back to the open the code backend. Cool. I will create a function to handle the paging, and I will call it either do paging. Okay. At the end here, private void do paging. I will have a data table. Table it equal new data table. It dot column and it should be the pet index it dot column dot add. It should be pet tag. Pet tag. Okay, the value here. Okay. So now I will create some the property here. I will have the I will create some property to handle. Okay. Handle index privacy the first index should be red equal. If you stop that, we do the same thing with the last index. Okay, done the index for the first and last. I will create the current index page. Okay, on the top. Paste it. Oh, sorry. Copy it. I will call it a current page. Red set. Okay. Current page. Okay. Current page 0. If object of busy page equal none 0. Yeah. Okay, and then return the current page. Okay, so now we're back to the do paging method. Okay, here first index equal current page management. Okay, if current page greater than 5, last index equal current page management. L last index equal 10. If last index greater convert dot into views that total basis. Check it. Last index equal con. First index equal last index minus 10. Okay. If first index greater 0, first index equal 0. Okay. For Okay, and after that we will binding the data into the data list paging. Paging data source của dt data by. Okay, so we have finished to binding the data into the data list paging. Okay, so now we will continue to write the code for the some action for the button next, previous, back, and okay, current page here. Okay, so I think we should group a code here because for now we have a lot of things. Okay, so now reason handle index. Okay, and reason. You can collab or expand. Okay, cool. Okay, mini file handle index. Okay, so I will make this one to the bottom. Okay, I will create a padded data source. Padded data source. So this one is an instance of the padded data source, and we will use it to store the data from the database, and then after that we will do the binding it into the repeater. Okay. Okay, so now I will do some update the code for binding data. Here product list. Okay, update the code here for this one. Comment it. I will have pasted load data source equal product Okay, let's see here. Product. Go to define. Go to define. Okay, it is already order by descending here. Okay, cool. No need to use it order by observer on the user control. Okay. Pated. Allow paging equal to and pated page size. Okay, so by default I will set the page size is 10. You can do the config for this page size number from the web config, and after that you will get the data from the web config here. However, in this video I will do the hard coding here. Okay. Current page index, it should be current page. Okay. View state for total. Okay, it should be the total page. Total page equal page count. Cool. If product this one dot count greater than 11. So div paging should be visible equal 4. We have some button here. Button, it should be button first. Button first dot visible. Okay, padded if first pad like now this one should be the previous like dot visible last pad. btn first visible first pad last visible. Okay, so now here we check the hidden of the of some link button first, previous, next, and last. Okay. After that, fill data here. Okay, so now let's build it. Okay, try to open the browser and run it to see what it look. Homepage. I will open the product list page. It is still display all of the data here. Okay, let's back to the Visual Studio and see. Okay, so instead of using product here, we should use the better data source. Build it again. Refresh. Yeah. So now you can see here we have 10 items on this page only. Okay, cool. However, here the number of the pages still not display at the end. It does not work for now. Okay, let me see again. Open Visual Studio. Okay, open this. Oh, we have to write the code for on item command and the item data bound. Okay, open this. Back to this one. Group it. Reason it should be the data list paging event. Okay, and reason cool on the item command. I have if dot command name. Okay, the command name here we see it is the command name. Oh, paging. Okay, get paging. Command name not equal current page equal convert dot to in 16 e dot command comments dot to searching, and we call the message as a method to get product listing to binding it into the repeater. Same thing for this one, it should be link button page equal link button either item file control. We find the control is the link btn paging. Okay, if the page dot command agreement dot to string equal current page dot to string. it should be general pet dot enable equal 4 pet dot. Okay, so we can make style for this one is style dot add font size. It should be 64 pixels. Okay, so here this code is we do some just do formatting for the selected page. Okay, so when the user click on the page number 2, we have to make the font size increase into the 14 and make it the font is bold. Okay, so now we should make the style sheet for selected page. It look different with another page. When the user take a look into the deep paging, so they know where they are now. Okay. Okay, let's build it. Build this one. Refresh. No. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's open Visual Studio product list. Okay. 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 Let me check the code again. Do patching. Go to definition. Oh, here. Last index. Okay. Yeah. So here, after that, when we update the code for the latest index, it will display the number here. Cool. So now we will write the code for handling the action when the user click on the number here, and also click on the hyperlink here to display to go to the next or last page. Okay. before I do that, I will do some style sheet for this one to make it look good in spec. TD. Okay, let me try. TD. Don't work. T body. TD. Okay. And padding. Padding. Top 0. Cry for 0. Okay. Clear the cake. Okay, cool. So now I will write the code for handling the event. Okay, open this. It should be the I will first. Okay, change the order. First, next, and last. Okay. Item first incur. Okay, current base equal 0 and get product listing display. Okay, previous it should be current base 1 and okay, next it should be the okay, so for the next it should be -1 current page 1. The last it should be current page equal convert to 23 view state total. Okay, total page Okay. On. Okay, so now I will check the code for item comma row current base to string. Okay, do it again. Number two, it not work. I will open neck lab. Okay, back to the code. Okay, so let's check the code for getting the current page. Okay. Okay. Here. Different. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now when we change the code for current page, so the paging feature working fine for now. Click. So now you can see here you are at the page number 2, 3, 4. Yeah. First page. Next. Okay, so here you are now at the page number 2. When you click on next, it will go to page number 3, previous, page 2, previous, page 1. And after when you at the page 1, the first and previous will be hidden. The same thing when you use the page 4, next and last will be hidden too. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think after you implement this feature for the product listing here, the website look better. Okay, so instead of displaying all of the product on this page, so it will make the page longer. And of course, when the client take a look into this, and they will feel not good because they have to scroll down a lot of time to see the product. And here, after you implement this feature, the client just need to click on another page to view another product. So it is very good. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Sorry for the very long video. And after you finish this video, you know how to implement the feature to do the paging for product list. I hope that will be helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and talk to you later.